Unraveling the meaning of young lead. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, young lead. If you're keen on expanding your English vocabulary, especially in phrases that may not be immediately obvious, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and understand the layers behind this expression and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The term, young lead, isn't a commonly used idiomatic expression with a fixed meaning. Rather, it's a phrase that can be interpreted based on the words young and lead. The word young refers to someone having lived for a short time or being in the early years of their life. The word lead can have multiple meanings, but in most contexts, it refers to being in charge or in a position to guide others. When combined, young lead could imply a young person who is taking charge of a situation, project, or group. This phrase could be particularly relevant in discussions about youth empowerment, leadership among young people, or even in the entertainment industry where a young actor plays the main role. In context, young lead might be used in various situations. For example, youth leadership. In a discussion about young individuals stepping up in their communities, one might say, "We're seeing more young leads in community projects, showcasing the potential of the next generation." Entertainment industry. Referring to a movie or a play, the phrase could be used as, "The young lead in the latest blockbuster delivered an outstanding performance." Business and innovation. Speaking of startups and new companies, one might comment, "That startup has a young lead who is only 22 and already making waves in the industry." Understanding such phrases goes beyond the literal meaning. It's about grasping the essence of the words. When we talk about a young lead, we often imply a sense of innovation, fresh perspectives, and a break from the traditional or expected leadership demographics. It's a nod to the capability and potential that resides in the youth, regardless of the domain they choose to take the lead in. Thank you for joining me in unpacking the phrase, young lead. Whether you're a young leader in your own community or simply fascinated by the English language and its nuances, I hope this explanation adds a valuable piece to your linguistic toolkit. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, every word and phrase has a story. Until next time, happy learning!